Hi guys, today I'm making Christmas cookies with an embossed rolling pin, and such an easy way to make beautiful Christmas cookies. So the first thing you have to do when you get your embossed rolling pin is to oil it, and I'm using my homemade calendula oil for this because it's got antibacterial properties, and I've also got quite a lot of it. But you can use any oil really, like olive oil or vegetable oil. And all you need to do is brush the oil on with the pastry brush. Just make sure you get it into all the little nooks and crannies with the brush. If you're going to be making these, I would oil the rolling pin at least a couple of hours before you intend to use it, to give the oil a chance to really soak into the wood, and then that way you won't have an oily residue sitting on top of the wood when it comes time to make your Christmas cookies. So once the dough has been chilled and it's ready for using, again, see the recipe on the blog for the instructions. You just need to roll out the dough first with your usual rolling pin. I'm using a marble rolling pin here, and I'm doing the same thing for the next batch of cookies, but this time I'm using my Reindeer embossed rolling pin. If it sticks a little bit to the rolling pin, then just gently pull it away, and then you can carry on rolling. Woohoo! I'm so impressed with that. Look at that! I tried a few recipes until I came across the one that I think works best for me, and I would definitely recommend you read the blog post because there's so much more information there than I could ever put in this video. And you can also print out the recipe. And then I'm just using my round cookie cutter to cut the shapes, and then these are going to go into the fridge for 20 minutes or in the freezer for 10 minutes. If you read the blog post, you'll see why that's really important. And this is how they turned out. I have to say I'm really impressed with these embossed rolling pins, and I think I'm going to be buying a few more. Thanks for watching to the end of the video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. That always helps me and I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.